Hi friends, today I'm going to discuss with you very important shortcut tricks of maths. So it's especially it is multiplications. I will tell you, you never use calculators and it's going to be a very fun way we will do and I hope so it will be really useful for you. Okay, so today I'm going to take out the fear of maths. Okay, let's get started. So let's start it today. I'm going to give you three important tricks of maths, especially it is multiplications. So here we go. Student, generally this maths seems to be difficult task. How to multiply. So today I'm going to tell you that it's really easier to do the maths. So let's get started with the first trick. Trick number one. Okay, trick number one is when the number is given to you to multiply nearby 100. Okay, so two number will be given to you which is actually nearby 100. Okay, so let's suppose it can be like 93 into 97, for example. Understand? So if two number is given like nearby 100, so what you do, you have to look at it, this first number, how much it's less than 100. So you can say that this is 93 is 7 is less than 100, and this 97 is how much lesser than 100. So how much you have to actually, it is 3 times, right? 3 times actually lesser than 100, it is 7 times lesser than 100. Understand? So after that, what you have to do is actually you have to, if you look at the crisscross way, 97, 93, it is actually 3 times. If you subtract it, what you have to get it? You are going to get it 90. Or if you are subtracting 97 minus 7 even, you are getting the same as well. So anyway, either you can subtract 93 minus 3, or you can subtract 97 minus 7, the same answer only. So let me do it. 97 minus 7 is equal to 90. Okay, the first step. And secondly, what you have to do, this two number has to be multiplied. So after multiply this two number, 7 3 times, it will be 21. The right answer will be 9021. I mean 9021. Okay, so it's really very nice. Let's take some other number, so you will come to learn. So let me take it one number here is 98 into 95. So multiply 98 into 95. It's really we cannot multiply by means of our mind, right? We need to have calculators. Am I right? Of course. So what we have to do, let us apply the tricks. What is the tricks? You have to look at the 98 is how much lesser than 100, and on the other hand we have 95 as well. So you have to have a look of 95 is how much lesser than 100. So we could see that 98 is how much lesser than 2 is less than 100, and 95 is 5 less than 100. Understand? So what do you do actually? So you have to either subtract 95 minus 2, or you can subtract 98 minus 5. The answer will be the same. So what I do, so 95 minus 2 I have subtracted and I got it, for example, 93. So after that, what you have to do, this two number has to be multiplied. Which one? 2 and 5. Okay, don't think it is minus and minus, just think that it's a positive number. So 2 and 5 you have to make it multiplication. So 2 10, so 2 into 5 will be equal to 10. So right answer will be 93 and 10. I mean 9310. Okay, how it is easy, right? So very easy way to multiply this kind of number. Not only nearby hundreds, for example, let's say 3 digit which is above 100. How we can do it? That is actually trick number 2. So you try in your own way. I mean, you can try in your calculators by taking any numbers nearby 100. So let us move on to the trick number 2. The trick number 2 is for, it is also nearby number but above 100. Okay, so let me take example of this number is 103 into 106, for example. Okay, well, while actually we are visualizing this number, oh my goodness, how we should multiply this big number, it will take lots of times, right? But you just think that it's going to be very easy, and within fraction of seconds you can actually do it, isn't it? What you do, look at it, 103 is how much greater than 100? So 3 times, so you write here plus 3 more, right? 103 is 3 more than 100. So 106, how much more? How much? So it is plus 6. Okay, it is 6 more from 100, and 103 is 3 more, right? So now if you, what in the previous trick you used to subtract here, but here you have to add it actually. So either you can add 106 with 3, will get the result 109, or you can add 103 with plus 6, will get the same 109. Okay, either way you can add it. So let me add it, 106 plus 3. So after adding these two figure, we will be getting 109. Now these two numbers the same as usual, like 3 into 6. So 3 times of 6 will be equal to 18. So in 2 steps your answer will be obtained, right? So here we have answer. This is 10,918 will be the multiplication of 103 and 106. Okay, so how it is easy, right? So let's move on to the next questions. So I'm giving a question for you, let you try it by yourself. Clear? So here I will give you 108 and 104, for example. 108 multiplied with 104. Okay, so how do you multiply? Look at 108. 8 is actually how much more than 100? So 8 more. 104 is how much? 4 more, right? So what you have to add? You have to add either number, either 108 with 8, sorry, 104 with 8, or 108 with 4, the same answers, right? So let me add it this way. Which way? Now, as I used to add it the right side way, 104 with 8. What will you get it? 112 you get it. The second step is to multiply the 8 with 4. Okay, so 8 times of 4 is equal to 32. So your answer will be 11,232 is the multiplication of this number. How it is easy, right? It is interesting, right? It's fun, right? Very fun, and it is really interesting, the multiplications. Once you keep doing this, definitely I'm sure you're gonna do it very nicely. Okay, so let us move on to the third tricks. Trick number 3. So what is the trick number 3? Now we have to we used to do it nearby 100, so below 100 or above 100, the same number. Now let us mix match the numbers from below 100 numbers. Let us multiply it with above 100 numbers. Okay, this has a little bit different, but the same way only we have to do. Little bit twist, but nothing is like, you know, very different. Okay, let's get started. So here we have, let's have a 98, we multiplied with 103, for example. This is below 100, 98, and 103 is above 100. Okay, so how it has to be multiplied? So you have to look at it. 98, how much lesser than 100? So it is 2 less than 100, so negative 2. So 103 is how much greater than 100? It is 3. Are you getting? So either way you actually do. Either you can add 1, so you can subtract 103 with -2, you'll get 101, or you can add 98 plus 3, will get same 101. So answer, let me subtract here. 103 minus 2 is equal to 101. Okay, now same as usually. So you have to multiply 2 into 3, right? So when you multiply 2 into 3, you're gonna get here 6. But make sure that here for the third tricks, actually, as soon as you get the answer per step, so here you have to add next 2 zeros. Understand? Then multiply this 2 number 2 into 3. After multiplying these things, you'll get 6. That 6 must be subtracted. Okay, this is the little different you have to make it in trick number 3. So after subtracting, what could be the answer? So he will get here 4, he will get it 9. Understand? Here will get is how much? 0. Okay, so here we'll get 0 and 1. The answer will be 10094. That means 10,094 will be the right answers. Hi, this is it. Let's do the last questions for you, and you keep trying by yourself. Okay, so let me erase it. Okay, let us try next questions. Let us do the next questions here. What you have to do with the trick number 3 here, let me multiply 95 into 104, for example. Okay, 95 into 104. If I like to multiply, what I do, firstly you have to look at it. 95 how much? Less than 100. So it is -5 less than 100. Okay, 5 is less, right? So 104, I mean 104 how much more than 100? It is 4 more. So plus 4 you have it. So either way, either you can subtract 104 to -5, or you can add 95 plus 4. The answer result will be the same, isn't it? 104 minus 5 is equal to 99. Same way, 95 plus 4 is equal to 99. So either way you can do. So let me subtract 104 minus 9. It will be equal to 99. Okay. So now what I do, I have to add 2 zeros here again. Okay. After adding 2 zeros here, so what you have to do, you have to multiply 5 into 4. So when you multiply 5 into 4, 4 times will be 20. The 20 should be subtracted here. Okay, so 0, here we'll get 8, okay, here 8 and 9. So answer will be 9,808. See how it is easy. Understand? So this really is very fun, and that's all for today. And next video, maybe I'll be coming with the next math tricks. Okay, thank you. I hope you might have enjoyed this.